I see a world where the relationship and the fluidity of how we're engaging, it's not going to be transactional.
I want to educate people how to fix a simple seam, how to fix a button, and you don't have to throw it away. There's still life to it.
The Renewal Workshop is the leading provider of circular solutions for apparel and textile brands.
First of all, they're filling a need in the supply chain for some of these big companies, but also something that hits closer to home for a lot of us is that they're keeping what would otherwise be waste product out of landfills.
We all have that passion to kind of help the world be better with what we do. I think that we all share that mindset.
A linear business model today is brands make new apparel and sell it. At the end of that apparel's life cycle, the brands are not involved at all. And brands are sitting on this as a huge waste problem. We take the product and we assess it at its highest value. Ideally, we're going to clean it, we're going to repair it, we're going to certify it, and we're going to get it back out into the market. I had worked inside of factories my whole career, but when it came down to like, oh, you have to actually set up a factory, I quickly had no idea what I was doing.
OMEP is Oregon's representation in the MEP National Network. We work side by side with small to medium-sized manufacturing companies to build successful businesses. We walk through some high-level process mapping to understand kind of the steps of the process as they saw it at that point. Talked through some capital equipment needs, made some assumptions about kind of the mix of products that they were going to be doing, and did some conceptual factory layouts.
It was a really great relationship because they came in early and were able to identify opportunities for us before we put down any equipment or any money and say, think about these things. We are expanding to Europe and we are growing here in Oregon. We want to continuously serve more brands, grow the number of companies that we're able to get into a circular model. We want to show that it can be zero waste. I would challenge all manufacturers to think about what we're making, where did it come from, and where will it go next? If we want to be leaders in manufacturing in the future, that's where we have to start thinking.